Hi there, students. Cocoon. A cocoon as a countable noun. Or to cocoon as a verb. Okay, the basic meaning of a cocoon. Let's see, you know a butterfly. Well, the butterfly lays eggs, and then you get this little larva. And then the larva hangs itself upside down and puts itself or makes a cocoon for itself, and out of that cocoon comes your butterfly. So the cocoon is this silk-like protective case made by the larvae of some insects. Well, in reality, silk comes from the cocoon of the mulberry moth or something, or a moth that lives in mulberries. So yeah, it's made of silk. It really is silk. Okay, so it's this little case that you see for insects when they are going to metamorphose into the final adult insect. So that's very specific. But to cocoon, to cover yourself in a protective casing, or to withdraw yourself into a protected place, or a cocoon, anything where you feel protected. So the alarm clock went off this morning and it was cold outside and I didn't want to get up, and I was comfortably cocooned in my bed. Okay, yeah, my bed was like a cocoon. Or I think many parents nowadays cocoon their children in a cocoon of safety. Yeah, in an atmosphere of safety, and they don't actually get to learn about the real life that's going on outside them. So to cocoon, to wrap something in a blanket. Yeah, if you're going to send an egg through the post, you need to put it in a cocoon. You need to make some sort of cocoon with soft things around it to stop it from breaking. Yeah, and then to cocoon, to isolate, to protect against the dangerous realities, the harsh realities outside, to insulate. So the princess lived cocooned in the royal palace with no idea of what was really going on. Okay, so a cocoon, a safe, quiet, warm, comfortable place. Yeah, the warm, safe cocoon of childhood, and then we wake up to the unpleasant realities of being grown up. To cocoon somebody, to protect somebody from painful situations, from difficult situations. Yeah, so the children were cocooned from the real world. Yeah. I think in the West we are cocooned from the harsh realities of the things that really do go on in the third world. Okay, so to wrap up, to swaddle, to swathe, to wrap with a protective coating. Yeah. Okay, so I cocooned myself away to study for the last 2 weeks before my exams took place. Yeah, a cocoon. Normally it's safe, it's warm, it's comfortable. So it's really just a metaphor of this place where the insect or the butterfly goes to metamorphise. Yeah. To cocoon, formality, a cocoon. I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, this comes from French, cocoon, okay, cocoon, which is the diminutive of coq, meaning a shell. Yeah, coquille. yeah, a shell. So the cocoon, it comes from this word, a shell, which itself, this coq in French comes from cocoon, a berry, like a strawberry in Latin. So a cocoon, a warm, safe, comfortable place. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cocoon.